Kejriwal Group has been an established name in the food processing industry since 1967 and in 1999 entered the sweetness of harvesting honey.
We take pride in the fact that we have set up state-of-the-art operations which meet international standards and benchmarks. We understand that with leadership comes responsibility. Kejriwal Group has been a pioneer in adopting latest international quality and monitoring certifications and was the first true source certified honey exporter and packer in the world.
Complete with state-of-the-art facilities, the Chandigarh plant can manage 100 metric ton of honey every day. Fully automatic operations with the least human interference ensure strict hygiene. Kejriwal Group's network of beekeepers is spread widely across India.
Very early in our business process, we understood that we need to invest with our beekeepers and farmers to grow in this sector. And in the initial years, we started working with the rural landless farmers and the village youth. That activity helped us in increasing the production of India from just mere 10,000 tons in 1996 to around 95,000 tons today. As a company, we source honey from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Assam to Gujarat. We have thousands of farmers who are attached to us. We maintain complete traceability on those farmers, give them advisory services about places where to migrate, about good beekeeping practices, and this is how the company has grown, and they stand by with the company.
Today, they are working with thousands of farmers, entomologists, and have also come up with their own brand of conventional honey called Nature's Nectar Organic, and Honey Chew. India ranks amongst the top 5 honey producers of the world, and Kejriwal Group adds to such accomplishments.
Our mission is to become a world-class supplier of quality Indian products for both the international and domestic markets. Through diversification and innovation, we aim to enter new avenues which will help us place our products in every single home.
90% of the pharmaceutical industry who uses honey for cough syrups or medicines, 80% of the breakfast cereal industry, they are all our customers, and knowing that we maintain best quality standards and hygiene standards in our factory premises here.
Kejriwal Group also found its mention as the only USDA NOP approved exporters of Indian honey in the 2017 publication of the Ministry of Food Processing Industries.
Here at Kejriwal, we maintain world's highest quality standard for food processing industry, which is FSSC 20000. Apart from this, we also maintain mother standard ISO 9001. We are also certified with halal and kosher. The system implemented with these standards, the raw honey which arrives here at plant is 100% sampled from each and every buckets of the lot. Then sample is tested for organoleptic test.
We always believe that to grow, we need to grow as a team. Our beekeepers, our customers, and our colleagues should always be there with us. For us, their satisfaction, their growth is most important.
Our company will inspire its employees to work as a family to reach their maximum potential. We must also give back to society, and through the Kejriwal Foundation, we will reach to more landless farmers to train them towards a respectable livelihood.
With their drive to excel and to remain true to their motto of customer satisfaction, Kejriwal Honey is constantly striving towards improving the beekeeping practices and the quality of honey. They have put the wheels in motion as they journey on towards preparing more products and touch many more lives with the sweetness and richness of their honey.